Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good and everything is very much copacetic. Big up to our subscribers, big up to our channel members, big up to also our channel patrons. Really appreciate the support that you guys have been giving me. Now please people, remember that we're still on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Yeah, tough. Yeah, tough. But the Gold Cup hasn't come as yet. It hasn't finished as yet. We've come this close, but the only way we can reach it, people, is by you guys sharing the content and hitting that like button, people. Let the YouTube algorithm pick up what is happening and see what's going on. Anyways, so the Reggae Boyz, Demarai, at this present moment, there's a multiple clubs being linked with the move, linked with his signature. These clubs are Crystal Palace, Brentford, West Ham United, and clubs in Saudi Arabia League. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. Not go waste your time. You know your time is very valuable. This article is actually from West Ham. So we're going to go straight into the meat of the matter. So do the good thing and hit in that like button. This is what he said. West Ham United want to sign Everton winger Demarai, ready to listen to offers. West Ham United, good. The newly capped Jamaican international has been tipped to leave Goodison Park after becoming a big part player under Sean Dyche, and is said to be considering his future. But now the Toffees are willing to listen to offers amid interest being registered in him, and West Ham are one of the clubs taking a look alongside Brentford, Crystal Palace and clubs in Saudi Arabia. Outgoing wise Everton are ready to listen to offers for Demarai amid interest from number of Premier League clubs and also from the Saudi Pro League. They wrote Crystal Palace, West Ham, Brentford keeping an eye on Gray's situation at the Murder side, with the club already looking at potential alternatives. And that's Willigan Ganato of Leeds, who they are considering. It seems quite evident that the club wants to bring in a winger this summer if they want to get the opportunity, considering the targets named so far. Harvey Barnes seems to be one of those targets. I know Harvey Barnes is linked with Newcastle as well. Gray would be really good option as his ability fit into what the manager loves in a winger. He's direct, has fantastic pace, a good eye for goal, and he's also creative. Now, these attributes that have been listed by for Demarai are attributes, whereas I'm not sure you will see these attributes versus with Everton, and let me tell you why. Now, for those who watch EPL football, they understand and would have seen Sean Dyche at Burnley and even at previous clubs. You'd realize that Sean Dyche is a player who loves 6'5", 6'4" players, very big, bulky, physical players. A lot of aerial balls over the top, a lot of running, a lot of physicality. Not saying that Demarai is not physical, but what I'm saying is this: is that those are not Demarai's attributes. He's big. He's not over 6'5", 6'4". He's not that height. He's not bulky. He's not going to be playing all this long ball. He's not that type of player. Demarai is a high technical pace, quick passes, interchangeable passes, dropping midfield, supportive passes, shot on goal, crosses, creating chance, creative type of player. He's that type of player. So Sean Dyche, I don't think Demarai, you'll see the best of Demarai playing under a coach like Sean Dyche. I think he would actually limit all of these Demarai's best attributes. Now, let's continue. We're going to also look at which possible club would be better move. Let's continue. He said he wouldn't be too expensive and he'd surely be interested in playing European football. So this would be should better business. Now, remember that West Ham just recently won the Europa Conference League, so I think they're going to go to Europa League. So this is actually a good opportunity as well. So even though West Ham still kind of building phase right now, it's a good opportunity for Demarai to be playing European football. Why? Even though this, I think, not sure if Mikel Antonio will remain, but both Mikel Antonio and Declan Rice were West Ham's two most outstanding performers last season, and at present moment, tentatively, they're likely to lose both of them. So with Demarai going, you're gonna question what is the building phase like. You guys struggled last season with both of your best players. What is the building phase like this season? What are we planning to do? or maybe the struggle is because they gave up on the league and went all in with the Conference League. But Demarai will be asking these questions because these are the important questions. One is, what is his future? What is his future like playing with this club? What are the goals of this club? And he's a quality player, and these are good questions to ask. Now, with the likes of Brentford, I do think that Brentford, the opportunity to play for Brentford is actually a very good one, and a very good coach. Really good coach. Good footballers around him. Good system. Teammate as well in Ethan Pinnock. So national teammate Ethan Pinnock. So it's a good opportunity for Demarai going to Brentford. Good football, proper football, competitive football, high intensity football, good pressing system. So there's a lot of positive playing for Brentford. Crystal Palace, kind of what's similar to West Ham in style of play. All is that Crystal Palace don't have European football, and West Ham has European football. So that is the lucrative draw that West Ham has over all of these other teams, the opportunity to play European football. But does it really make sense if you're just going to play European football and not compete? Sure. Just playing European football is actually a big plus. So I do think that lucrative European tagline for West Ham is quite good. And I do think that's a puller and can attract his signature. In my perspective, I do believe that going to Brentford would certainly be a better option for him. A more competitive team, a team who's not just in the Premier League to participate, but to be competitive, play against and play some good football, probably improve under a very good coach. So the options are there. He has a lot of options, and it'll be very interesting to see what route does Demarai take. Will he take Saudi League? Will he go to the Saudi Pro League? Big money, big cash. I don't know, some money is a big influence in football right now. Saudi Pro League, a lot of players are going to the Saudi Pro League, so that would be interesting. That would be very interesting. Anyways, tell us what you think in the comment section. Please do smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, people. Demarai, Reggae Boy International, very interesting, talented, quality player. Let's see what he's going to do next. Tell us in the comment section what you think and where you think is the best move for him. Big up, people. MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out.